Welcome to Dunnellon, Florida, a hidden gem nestled in the heart of Citrus and Marion counties, where history and natural beauty come together. Today, we'll take you on a journey above this charming town as we uncover its unique and incredible history from a bird's-eye view. First, let's begin with Dunnellon's crown jewel, the breathtaking Rainbow River. Known for its crystal-clear waters, Rainbow River has been a source of life and recreation for centuries, long before settlers arrived. Native American tribes once used these waters for fishing and transportation, and today it remains a beloved destination for swimming, kayaking, and paddleboarding. Beneath the surface, the river is fed by hundreds of natural springs. The calm flow of the river, combined with its vibrant ecosystem, makes this one of Florida's most pristine waterways. However, there's more to Dunnellon than its natural beauty. This small town has a rich and fascinating history that dates back to the late 19th century. Dunnellon was once at the center of a historic mining boom, thanks to the discovery of phosphate, a mineral that would transform the town. In 1889, phosphate was discovered near the banks of the Withlacoochee River, sparking a rush of miners and settlers eager to capitalize on the white gold beneath the soil. Dunnellon quickly became a bustling mining town, drawing workers from across the country. At its peak, it was home to several mines, bringing both wealth and opportunity. But with every boom comes a bust. By the early 20th century, the phosphate industry in Dunnellon began to decline as resources were depleted and demand shifted elsewhere. The town, however, adapted, transforming from a mining center into a peaceful community surrounded by rivers, forests, and outdoor adventure. Today, Dunnellon is known for its strong connection to nature. Visitors can explore the Halpata-Tastanaki Preserve, where over 8,000 acres of wilderness offer hiking trails, wildlife viewing, and scenic beauty. Beyond nature, Dunnellon's charm lies in its small-town community spirit. Local festivals, markets, and family-owned businesses keep the town's historic roots alive while offering a warm welcome to all. The history of Dunnellon is a story of transformation, from its ancient waters to its mining heritage to the peaceful, nature-loving community it is today. As the Rainbow and Withlacoochee rivers meet, so too do the past and present of this remarkable town. Whether you're here to paddle the rivers, hike the trails, or simply enjoy the town's rich history, Dunnellon, Florida, will always leave you with a deeper connection to Florida's natural and historical wonders, one story at a time.